Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file a Digital Millennium Copyright Act complaint. First, understand the core purpose of a DMCA notice, which is to protect your copyrighted material from unauthorized online use. This formal notice helps you request the removal of infringing content from websites or online services. It is a crucial, widely recognized step for safeguarding your intellectual property in the vast digital realm. Before filing, you must confirm actual copyright infringement has occurred. Clearly identify your original copyrighted material, for instance, a photograph, video, or piece of writing. Then, pinpoint the precise web address where the infringing content appears. Collect definitive proof, including timestamp screenshots and the full uniform resource locators, which are essential for a successful complaint. This thorough preparation strengthens your case significantly. Your complaint needs specific details to be effective and actionable. Include your full legal name, a mailing address, email address, and phone number, ensuring the service provider can reach you. Describe your copyrighted work with enough detail for clear identification, mentioning any copyright registration numbers. You must also include a statement, made under penalty of perjury, that you believe in good faith the use is unauthorized. Once drafted, send your completed DMCA notice to the appropriate party, typically the website's hosting provider or the internet service provider. Many platforms have a dedicated contact for copyright infringement claims, usually listed on their website or in their terms of service. It is vital that all information is accurate and complete, as errors could lead to your notice being rejected or significantly delayed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.